MALSIGN CT series are LoRaWAN smart current transformer with split-core, non-invasive, self-part design. CT10X is suitable for small detection range, while CT3XX is ideal for larger range of current detection. With a versatile current detection range, CT series are specifically crafted to address precise current monitoring needs. They can be installed in electrical distribution boxes, in buildings or factories, by simply opening, inserting, and securing. And the installation does not require consideration of the current direction, simple and quick. Additionally, the CT series are powered by the measured circuit itself, eliminating the need for batteries, due to the presence of a supercapacitor. MALSIGN smart current transformers are also equipped with a high-gain antenna, ensuring stable signal transmission. And a magnetic antenna is also offered as an optional choice to meet your specific needs. Support wire temperature detection, trigger alerts upon reaching threshold levels. Featuring LoRaWAN technology, the CT series guarantees real-time and secure communication. It enables current threshold alerts, facilitating quick decision-making. Overall, CT series are wireless, non-invasive LoRaWAN smart current transformers, widely used to enhance energy management and overall efficiency.